Earn $15 per hour searching Google. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how you can earn $15 or even more by simply searching Google. This is totally free, worldwide, and are super easy to do. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so as I said, I'm gonna show you how you can earn $15 or even more, and I'm actually gonna share with you a combination so you can earn even more when you are around there with this method and strategy that you can earn $15 or even more by simply searching Google. Now what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information here. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable long-term online business, then I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can earn $15 or even more by simply searching Google. Let's get started. Alright, so basically we are going to have a look at Web Search Evaluator. Now, before you jump into any conclusions here, this is super easy to do, and I'm actually going to reveal to you 2 different strategies here so you can earn even more money. And this is, as I said, worldwide, very easy to do. So you really need to pay attention here so you can get started to make some money as a web search evaluator. So basically I just show you here on Google what is a web search evaluator, and I found that this was a good description, so I'm going to read it here for you. Search engine evaluators gives feedback to ensure that internet search results are comprehensive, accurate, timely, and that they are spam free and relevant to the searcher's intent. In essence, they are the human check on the complicated algorithms that search engine runs. So basically they're going to ask you to search for something on Google, and you're going to tell on what position, if it is relevant, or they might actually send you some ad to see if that is relevant also when you are there and searching for something specific. So that is how a web search evaluator works, which is really super easy to do actually. You get the instructions there, and all you have to do is follow along and give your feedback to that company. So if I have a look at how much does a web search evaluator make here, you can see that Nielsen here first, they do have a web search evaluator salaries that you can earn actually $26,000 per year. But we have Lionbridge here, which tells us $14 per hour. We have Appen on average per $12 per hour. LibForce $14 per hour, and you can see if I scroll down a little bit here, you can earn in the range of $12 to $15 per hour in the most cases. Okay, but you can of course earn even more here. So you can see here search engine evaluator is 36,881, so you can definitely make much more money. But this is the pretty much standard for someone that is working from home doing this. And what we are interested in actually is have a look at where we can apply for this. And I'm going to share with you 2 companies here today that are the most popular ones. You probably have seen them here before. But the first one is actually Lionbridge. Okay, so if I go to the site here, lionbridge.com, you can see this is how it looks actually, and they do explain who they are and what we do. You can see here they do have other services as well, so you never know actually when you apply here you might do something else here also. But we're going to focus on the section where what we are interested in as a web search evaluator. So basically what you need to do is go to the section for jobs, of course, and you can see here current opportunities, online jobs, find the ideal fit for you. Click on your region to see a list of opportunities in your country, and you can see here that they do have in tons of countries here. I'm going to Europe, I'm going to Greece here where I am located, and you can see here, for example, they search for personalized internet ads assessor Greece. In this role, you will be reviewing online advertisements in order to improve the content, quality and layout. So exactly as I said earlier, okay, in this case, you will actually have to look for online advertisements. You will be required to provide feedback and analysis on advertisements found in search engine results. Okay, so you search on Google and you tell what kind of ads you are going to see there. They're going to tell you specific keywords, so they want to have the feedback to see if the ads are showing up there for specific keywords, okay? So if I continue reading here, another aspect of this role will involve reviewing the language used in advertisements by examining grammar, tone and cultural relevance. So they need your help here, whatever language you know actually, or where you are located. For me, as I'm located here in Greece right now, you can see they want to have and see that the grammar is correct in the advertisement there. And there is also an internet safety evaluator, so this is another job opportunity actually that I could apply for as well. But I think you get it. Just go to lionbridge.com and get started, search around and see a little bit on you can see also the section here on how it works. So if I go here, you can see here, in today's global, mobile and connected marketplace, there shouldn't be anywhere holding you back from working on your own terms. So basically, with Lionbridge crowdsourcing, they are hiring independent workers, and this is actually working from home. You can see you can find home-based jobs with flexible workloads that they control and a single pipeline for incoming work. So it's a perfect opportunity actually to do while you build on your long-term online business. They're definitely a great way to get started with this. And you can see here, if you're ready to join the crowd, there's no need to wait. So basically you can hit the learn more or read the frequently asked questions. Now I'm not going to read through everything here, but you can see that they do explain everything in detail here, okay? So have a look at it. Just go to lionbridge.com. Now another site that is very popular is Appen. Appen.com. This is how it looks here, and basically if I go to the main site, so you can see how it looks when you arrive here. You just go to appen.com. You can see here data with a human touch, the Appen difference. They do explain a little bit here, but you can see here they do have experience working in 130 plus countries, 180 plus languages, and this definitely makes it a worldwide opportunity. And they do have over 600 employees located in 9 offices around the globe. Okay, so we need to go to the job section here where it says careers, and you can do, let's say that you go for corporate jobs here, that you search for that. What you need to do is search basically if I go here to Greece, see, there you go, it says remote. So if I do the search here, you can see here that the first thing that they search for is social media evaluator, and the second one is web search evaluator. So you can see here at Appen we work with 8 out of the 10 global technology companies in the world to improve and optimize the products for users worldwide, including social media platforms, search engines, voice recognition systems and e-commerce sites. The world of tech is moving fast, and since our founding in '96 we rose to the challenge by becoming a publicly listed company and by building an international team that works in over 130 countries and more than 180 languages. So, do you like searching for information on the web and wonder why you see the results you do? If so, then they are looking for new members to become a web search evaluator. Alright, so as an evaluator you perform basic tasks online, such as providing feedback on search results, advertisement and web page content. So exactly as I said, it is exactly the same thing here. They ask you to go to Google, search for something particular, and you are going to leave a feedback on that. Now, what is cool with Appen here is that you can actually apply for a social media evaluator. This is available for a lot of countries also, and it works pretty much the same way. The only difference is that instead of searching on Google, you're going to have to be on a platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, where they do advertisements and they want to have some feedback there when you search for specific keywords. So Appen.com, great opportunity also to get started with, and Lionbridge. Now you could do, of course, a Google search if you are going to focus on doing a web search evaluator. You're probably going to find a few more sites, but I think these two are good enough to get started with, at least in the beginning. Now, this is a great opportunity to make some extra money online, but I don't think that you can definitely apply, not all of you can apply as a full-time job to be a web search evaluator. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below, so make sure you check that out. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you're also going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation here at my end screen right now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.